RAM upgrade. Most laptops come with 8 gigabytes of RAM, and that's barely enough today. Open Chrome with 10 tabs, run Discord, maybe some Spotify in the background, and your system starts choking. The fix is simple. Add more RAM. But here's what most people don't realize. Not every laptop lets you do this. Before you buy anything, flip your laptop over and check if there's a panel you can remove. Some laptops have easy access doors held by 1 or 2 screws. Others require removing the entire back cover. And some, especially Ultrabooks and MacBooks, have RAM soldered directly to the motherboard. If it's soldered, you're stuck with whatever came from the factory. No upgrades possible. For laptops that do allow upgrades, you need to know what type of RAM they use. Most modern laptops use something called SODIMM, which stands for Small Outline Dual Inline Memory Module. It's shorter than desktop RAM and specifically designed to fit inside tight laptop spaces. Check your laptop's specifications online or use a free tool like CPU-Z to see what generation you currently have. DDR4 and DDR5 are the most common today. Here's where people mess up. RAM has to match. If your laptop uses DDR4, you cannot install DDR5. They're physically different and won't even fit in the slot. Speed matters too. Let's say your current RAM runs at 2,400 megahertz. You can install 3,200 megahertz RAM, but your system will just slow it down to match the lower speed. It works, but you're wasting money on performance you'll never use. Capacity is another thing. Most laptops have 2 RAM slots, and you want to fill both for dual channel mode. This means your system uses both sticks simultaneously, which roughly doubles your memory bandwidth. Running 16 gigabytes as 2 8 gigabyte sticks is faster than running one single 16 gigabyte stick. Always go dual channel when possible. How much do you actually need? 8 gigabytes is the absolute minimum for basic tasks like web browsing and document editing. 16 gigabytes is the sweet spot for most users. It handles multitasking, light photo editing, and casual gaming without breaking a sweat. 32 gigabytes is overkill unless you're doing video editing, 3D rendering, or running virtual machines. More RAM doesn't magically make your laptop faster if you're not using it all. SSD upgrade. Hard drives are the biggest bottleneck in older laptops. If your system takes 2 minutes to boot or programs freeze when loading, the hard drive is probably why. Upgrading to an SSD or solid-state drive transforms how your laptop feels. Boot times drop to seconds. Programs open instantly. Everything becomes snappier. There are 2 main types of SSDs for laptops. The older style is called a 2.5-inch SATA SSD. It looks like a thin rectangular box and connects using the same SATA port that traditional hard drives use. The newer style is called NVMe, and it uses the M2 slot. NVMe drives are tiny, about the size of a stick of gum, and they're significantly faster than SATA. If your laptop supports NVMe, that's the one you want. Check your laptop's specifications to see which type you can install. Some laptops have both a 2.5-inch bay and an M.2 slot, letting you run 2 drives at once. Others only have one or the other. Opening your laptop and looking inside is the fastest way to confirm. Capacity depends on your needs. A 256 gigabyte SSD is tight. It fits your operating system and a few programs, but you'll run out of space quickly if you store photos, videos, or games. 512 gigabytes is more comfortable for general use. 1 terabyte is ideal if you work with large files or install many games. Prices have dropped significantly, so going bigger doesn't cost as much as it used to. Speed differences between brands are real but overhyped for most users. A mid-range NVMe drive from a reputable brand like Samsung, Crucial, or Western Digital will feel incredibly fast compared to a hard drive. You don't need the absolute fastest, most expensive model. Battery replacement. Laptop batteries degrade over time. It's unavoidable. After 2 or 3 years, you'll notice your battery doesn't last as long as it used to. What gave you 6 hours now barely makes it to 3. Eventually, it gets so bad the laptop only works when plugged in. Replacing the battery brings back that original runtime. Not all batteries are replaceable. Some older laptops have removable batteries you can swap in seconds. Slide a latch, pop out the old battery, snap in a new one. Done. Most modern laptops have internal batteries screwed or glued inside the case. These require opening the laptop and disconnecting cables. It's more involved but still doable. Finding the right replacement matters. Search for your laptop's exact model number plus the word battery. You'll find options ranging from cheap no-name brands to official manufacturer replacements. Here's the truth about cheap batteries. They often use lower quality cells that don't hold a charge as well or degrade faster. Spending a bit more on a reputable brand or OEM battery saves frustration later. Check the battery specifications before buying. Voltage must match exactly. Capacity measured in milliamp hours or watt hours should be close to the original. Higher capacity batteries sometimes last longer, but might be slightly thicker. Make sure they'll physically fit in your laptop. Your laptop now runs untethered again. RAM upgrade. Adding more RAM makes multitasking smoother. If your laptop slows down when you have multiple browser tabs open, run several programs at once, or edit large files, more RAM helps. Upgrading RAM is one of the easiest and most effective improvements you can make. Not all laptops allow RAM upgrades. Many modern Ultrabooks solder RAM directly to the motherboard. Check your laptop's manual or search online to confirm yours has replaceable RAM slots. Look for terms like SODIMM slots or upgradable memory. RAM comes in different types. DDR3, DDR4, and DDR5 are not interchangeable. Check what type your laptop uses and match it exactly. Speed matters too. RAM runs at specific frequencies like 2400 MHz or 3200 MHz. Use RAM that matches or exceeds your laptop's supported speed. Mixing speeds works, but everything runs at the slowest stick speed. Capacity depends on your needs and budget. 8 GB handles basic tasks. 16 GB suits most users, especially if you multitask heavily or edit photos and videos. 32 GB benefits power users running virtual machines, heavy development work, or intense creative applications. Check your laptop's maximum supported RAM before buying. Some laptops max out at 16 GB. Others support 32 or even 64 GB. Installing more than the maximum just wastes money since the system won't recognize it. To upgrade, power down the laptop and remove the bottom panel like you did for the battery. Locate the RAM slots. They're usually near the center of the motherboard with small metal clips on each side. If you're adding RAM to an empty slot, just insert the new stick at a 45-degree angle and press down until the clips snap into place. If you're replacing existing RAM, push the clips outward to release the old stick. It'll pop up at an angle, pull it straight out, then install the new RAM the same way. For best performance, use 2 identical sticks in dual-channel configuration. This lets the laptop access both sticks simultaneously, effectively doubling memory bandwidth. Most laptops automatically enable dual-channel when you install matching RAM in both slots. After installation, close up the laptop and power it on. The system should recognize the new RAM immediately. Keyboard replacement. Spilled drinks, worn keys, and broken switches eventually ruin laptop keyboards. Some keys stop responding, others stick or register multiple presses. Replacing the keyboard restores full functionality without buying a new laptop. Keyboard replacement difficulty varies wildly between models. Some laptops let you pop the keyboard out by removing a few screws from the bottom. Others require complete disassembly, removing the motherboard and every other component just to access the keyboard from underneath. Research your specific model before starting. Look for teardown videos or service manuals. If it requires full disassembly, consider whether it's worth the effort or if you'd rather use an external keyboard. Order the correct replacement keyboard by searching your laptop's exact model number. Keyboards are not universal. Even models that look similar often use different connectors and mounting points. Screen replacement. Cracked screens are the most visible laptop damage. A broken display makes the laptop nearly unusable. Replacing the screen costs a fraction of buying a new laptop and takes maybe an hour. Order the correct replacement panel by finding your laptop's exact model number and current screen specifications. Screens vary by resolution, size, and connector type. Laptops aren't disposable. Most performance problems come from outdated components, not fundamental design flaws. Upgrading RAM eliminates multitasking slowdowns. Swapping to an SSD transforms boot times and program responsiveness. Replacing a degraded battery restores mobility. Fixing a broken keyboard or cracked screen saves hundreds compared to replacement costs. These upgrades don't require expert skills. You need basic tools, patience, and willingness to follow instructions carefully. Research your specific laptop model before buying parts. Confirm compatibility. Watch teardown videos. Understand what you're getting into before opening anything. Not every laptop is upgradable. Ultrabooks and premium models increasingly solder components permanently. But if your laptop allows upgrades, taking advantage of that extends its useful life significantly. A 4-year-old laptop with fresh RAM, a new SSD, and a healthy battery often outperforms a brand new budget model. The performance difference is immediate and obvious. Your laptop stops feeling like it's struggling through every task. Programs open when you click them. The system responds instantly. Battery life returns to what you remember from when it was new. Most people replace laptops because they feel slow or the battery dies. Upgrading fixes both problems for a fraction of the cost. You keep your familiar setup, your installed programs, and your files exactly where they are. Everything just works better.